Hey everybody, welcome to my home office. Zuka, you want to say hi? Come say hi to everybody. This is my doggy Zuka. Say hi, Zuki. Hi. Look up here. You gotta look up here. All right. So that's Zuka. All right, what we're gonna do today is make a hamburger hot dog book. So everybody needs a blank sheet of paper like this. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you're going to make a hot dog fold. And what I mean by a hot dog fold is you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it the wide way. Okay? So go ahead and do that. Make a nice crease, because when we finish making our little book, nice creases will make your little book nicer. Okay, so everybody should have a hot dog fold like this. After you get the hot dog fold done, you're going to unfold your paper. So go ahead and unfold it, open it all the way up. And now what we're going to do is make a hamburger fold. When you make a hamburger fold, you want to fold it in the opposite direction. So everybody fold it like this. And again, make a really nice crease. Okay? So make a nice crease. It's going to intersect the other fold, which is exactly what you want. And this time, after you make your really nice crease, do not unfold it. You're going to keep it folded. And you're going to do another fold in exactly the same direction. So everybody fold it again like that. Okay, did you see what I just did? Fold it again like that. And line up the corners and make a really nice crease. Okay, this is a little hot dog, see? Now we have a little hot dog. All right, so everybody should have your paper folded over twice in the same direction. Now what I want you to do is just open up one fold. So if you put your fingers in the middle, you should have your crease at the top like this. Okay, so everybody hold your paper so that the crease is at the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to rip from the top of the crease down to the middle where the two folds intersect. So make sure you're ripping from the top, the creased part, and go ahead and rip halfway down. And be careful when you do this. You might want to hold it flat on the table when you do it. It's kind of hard to do it in the air, but I'm doing it so you can see. And you're only going to fold it to where those two folds come together. Okay? After you get that tear done, right to where the two folds come together, unfold it completely. And what you should see is a hole right in the middle. Hello. Okay. Everybody see the hole? Hello. Hello. All right. So what I want you to do now is fold it so that the hole is in the middle. Everybody see what I did? The hole's in the center. Fold it the long way again. Okay? And the hole is now in the center. Now to make your book, all you do is squish. And you can see that your book gets nicely formed. Okay. You might want to replay this so that you get all the steps, but now you have a little book. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 back cover. All right, this is going to be handy for this chapter.